In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an ebook to your Squarespace website. Whether you're a self-published author, a business offering valuable guides, or just looking to share your work, Squarespace makes it easy. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, we'll begin by navigating to your Squarespace homepage. This is your main dashboard where you control everything that appears on your site. Once you're there, look for the option that says Products and Services and go ahead and click on it. This is where you'll find all the products you offer, and it's most fitting if you plan to sell digital items like ebooks. Next, navigate to the section simply labeled Products. Here you'll see a list of all the current products you might have, but today we're focusing on adding something new. So let's click on the ADD Product button. This action will prompt a few options for the kind of product you can add. Among these, select Download. This choice is crucial because it indicates that your product is a digital file, like an ebook, ready to be downloaded after purchase. The next step is to give your ebook a proper name, something that reflects its content and appeals to your target audience. You can type this name into the provided text field. Make it catchy but clear enough so that buyers know exactly what they're getting. After that, you'll want to add an image. This image will serve as the cover of your ebook, acting much like a book cover in a shop, so choose something professional and relevant. Click Add Image and select an image file from your computer to upload. Ensure this image is of high quality as it can significantly affect your ebook's appeal in the store. Now it's time to upload the actual ebook file. Click on Upload File. This interface is where you'll attach the ebook that's ready to reach your audience. Ensure your file is in a common format like PDF or EPUB, something that your buyers will find accessible. With your file uploaded, don't forget to set the price for your ebook. Type in a figure that represents its value, keeping in mind the pricing strategies for your niche and target audience to ensure it's competitive. Lastly, it's important to save your work. So hit the Save button to finalize and add your ebook to your Squarespace store. This step is crucial because it makes sure that all your hard work is stored properly and is live for customers to see and purchase. And there you have it. Your ebook is now readily available for purchase on your Squarespace site. By adding an ebook to your store, you're tapping into a powerful digital product strategy, and Squarespace's platform makes it easier than ever. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling!